In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Freshsales. This connection helps you keep your scheduling in sync so your calendar events and your Freshsales activity work together more smoothly. To begin, log into your Freshsales account. Make sure you are signed in to the correct workspace or organization, because the calendar connection you set up will apply to that account. Once you are logged in, take a moment to confirm you are on the main dashboard area, where you can access your profile and settings. Next, click your profile icon and select Settings. This is where Freshsales stores preferences for how different tools connect and how your account behaves. If you do not immediately see the icon, look for it in the top corner of the interface, usually near your profile photo or initials. After you open Settings, you should land on a page with several tabs or sections. Now go to the Calendar Settings tab. This tab is specifically designed for linking calendar tools and managing calendar-related options. Opening it at this point matters because it takes you directly to the place where you can initiate a calendar connection, rather than searching through unrelated settings. Once you are on the Calendar Settings tab, click Connect Your Calendar. This tells Freshsales that you want to add an external calendar source. When you click this, Freshsales should display a list of supported calendar providers. Keep your cursor steady and wait for the options to appear clearly, so you choose the correct provider. From the list, select Google Calendar. Choosing Google Calendar will prepare the connection flow to sign you in with your Google account and grant access to the right calendar data. After you select it, Freshsales will typically open a sign-in or authorization window where you can complete the next steps. Then, sign into your Google account. Use the same Google account that contains the calendar you want to connect. Take care to select the correct account if you are signed into multiple accounts in your browser. If a login screen appears, enter your credentials and continue until you reach the authorization or permission screen. After that, grant the requested permissions. This step allows Freshsales to view and sync the calendar information you choose during setup. Read through the permissions carefully and confirm you understand what access is being requested. This is the point where the connection becomes active, so granting the permissions is necessary for Freshsales to communicate with your Google Calendar. Once permissions are granted, you will be able to choose your sync preferences. Sync preferences control how events are handled between Freshsales and Google Calendar. For example, you may be able to decide what types of events should sync and how they should appear depending on what options Freshsales offers in your version of the interface. Take your time here and select the settings that match your workflow, because these choices determine how your calendar and Freshsales stay aligned going forward. When you have finished selecting your sync preferences, review them one last time to ensure everything is set the way you want. Then save or confirm your connection if Freshsales prompts you to do so. After the connection is complete, you should be able to use your linked calendar to support scheduling and related activity in Freshsales. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.